Okay.
I was told fast passes get free Skittles.
Dave, that's Dave!
See, I told you I'd get free Skittles.
Hello there. Have you read the rules? And passing. Okay, how many of you are there? Four of you? Go through,
Chaos.
please. Have you read the rules?
Okay.
Have you read the rules? All right.
Alright, fast
Are you with him?
and everybody
Are you following him?
Guys, go.
How
Come
many
up
of you
here,
are
send
there?
them through, go. Alright, everybody come on this way.
Please. Are you with them?
Right here, and the O. Fast,
Oh.
scoot this way, I love it. Right there. Scoot that way, make a hole.
Have fun. This one's name is Dave. He's quite mean.
Yes.
You can't hear me and I'm losing my voice. Hi, my name is Ivy. Ivy a clown. If you're talking, you can't hear me. If you're talking, you can't hear me. I will point you out, make fun of you. Okay,
Oh.
friends. All right, listen up. Somebody's talking over there. I hear you. Stop talking and listen to me. I need lots of attention. I didn't get enough attention as a child. All right, friends, listen up. I have one rule. Do not touch my clowns. My clowns, most of them
Smell nice.
Skittles, you're interrupting me. Most of my clowns are under the age of 18. It is frowned upon to touch a minor. Don't do it. There is law enforcement at the front of the property. I will be more than happy to drag you. My military training will drag you to law enforcement, and they will offer you a wonderful ride down to the local jail. Do not touch my clowns. I want everybody to have fun, including my clowns. I like fun. I like screams. We like when people pull on feet. And if you vomit or go into labor, all those things are okay. If you're having a medical
True
emergency,
story.
let the nearest clown know that you are having a medical emergency. If you cannot tell the nearest clown you're having a medical emergency, tell the person you love the most that your inheritance is going to go to so they can vouch for you. I will get I'm just sorry. I will bring medical help to you immediately, and we will get you out of
I'm sorry she's out of focus.
All right, everybody, have a good time. What's the rule?
No farting.
What's the rule? Don't touch the clowns. You get candy.
Wait.
You get one piece of
Wait,
candy.
does that mean farting is allowed?
Now that that fiasco's over, how many of you are there?
I'm one.
Trivia time practice.
Yes.
So let me go through this ball.
Yes!
Ow! Hello? Where else would you get that?
What?
Oh no!
What about you? I've seen someone do this.
What's going on up here?
Oh boy. Oh boy.
It's a big chainsaw you got there.
Yeah. You smell nice.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You don't recognize me. So mean.
What do you mean I recognize you? Of course I recognize you.
Who am I?
What are you looking at?
Skittles.
Oh, you're still Skittles, okay.
Oh
You're
my
so scared.
goodness.
Wow.
Did I not say Skittles like 100 times?
How disrespectful, Dave.
Disrespectful, exactly. It's like I'm looking for Skittles. He comes walking into my room. He said, I'm looking for Skittles. I said, I'm Skittles. He looked me directly in the face and then goes, I don't
I remember you. I remember you.
You have no right to wear a clown tie. Can't even remember the most important clown.
I know what she's talking about. I said that Skittles 100 times.
I would like some ice cream.
You would like some ice cream?
I
Oh,
would
yeah.
love chocolate
Ice cream would be
taco.
good.
You got chocolate
Chocolate
taco?
taco! I love chocolate taco! You're amazing!
I gotta keep it at the right length.
We're gonna go left.
Well, you know, she's in a different part of the maze this year, so I'm confused. Okay?
I don't know. I forgot.
Huh? This light might not work in this maze. Oh,
Chicken, you like chicken. We all like chicken, right?
I like
Yes.
Skittles.
More of a steak guy.
Late to the party. I said be here an hour ago, and you're late. How you gonna be late to my party and not?
We can see you.
Oh my gosh!
Be here an hour ago.
Guys, why are we always late for her party?
I'm always late for the party.
We're
and I'm
always late for
forgetting
the
to spit-
party. Come on, Dave.
I told you to remember the sparklers, man. I told you to. Hey, where's your name tag? His name tag's missing. I'm gonna write him up. That's a record for a conversation, sir. Not writing your name tag.
Why are you here, huh? Why are you here?
I'm
Did she invite you? Did she invite you guys?
the tree
Did she
invited.
invite
Yeah,
you?
well-
Yes.
No, not my
No.
tree, not my tree.
Not
Did
tree?
she invite you guys? Did she invite you?
Yes,
Did she invite
yes,
Why
yes.
did you invite them? Why are you here? Why are you here? Leave! Don't touch my tree!
I was gonna go to a different party, but I was late, so I wasn't allowed in.
Oh my God, it's my favorite part.
Here we go.
My favorite part.
Poopy! Poopy! You want some poop?
Yes.
Now that you dealt it! Keep it moving,
It's your
poopy
fault.
people!
It's your fault.
Hey! I'm talking to you! Poopy! 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 You want some poop?
Oh, hello. Oh. Might have been me, I don't know.
That is a big
Okay.
stuffed animal. Holy crap.
Interesting. Oh, okay, wow.
That is massive.
It's a giant, huge bunny and another bunny next to it. Kind
Hello
of
there.
bunny.
Oh, want to buy something?
What do you got for sale?
Fermented eyeballs and livers and brains and hearts.
I would love that.
Really?
Yes.
That way.
Okay.
Bye.
See you later.
Oh no,
Bye.
she's disarmed.
Have you guys buy something? Or sell your organs and
Okay.
Where am I going?
I don't know.
Where?
I'm pretty sure that's not the way to go.
I don't know. I'm lost. Oh my God, did they tell us the wrong way?
Yes,
Oh my God.
I knew it was the wrong way.
Why would you lie to me?
Because why not?
That's pretty funny. Oh.
Party. I like, oh,
Go back where you came from! Don't do it! Let's get guys, come on! No, this way! Wrong way! This way!
And where'd they go?
They play in front of you!
Oh. How dare they? Yeah, we're going this way.
bye, Dave.
Clowns rule, okay?
Got it. I believe in you.
Yeah, sorry, between the backpack and the camera, this is not happening
Yeah,
for
you
me.
crossed through!
We'll stay here for Bret.
Yeah, you want to hit your ride in my heart? I want to hit your ride! Yeah!
Should we just call to a hearse?
Yes.
Okay, that was when you
Pat Owen.
Here. Where are you going? It's that way.
I think you lost your
What
bag.
is everybody doing? Oh my gosh, it's my friend who forgot about me!
Who?
You!
Who am I?
Dave!
Are you sure?
Yes, I remember your name! Watch out for my father, he's missing on the other side!
I should have said, but who's that? What? Oh,
I got stuck in the corner. Oh, for real?
Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one. Oh, the glass is cracked from this one.
there's the.
And then you talk to me tonight and you feel like I love you. I really do love you and I feel bad.
You ever hear of First Amendment auditors?
Yes.
You heard of them?
Oh, please be careful.
Yeah, they're fucking clowns.
Look at that take. There is a spider missing in that ant series.
What?
Oh, there it is.
There's a spider missing in mine. Oh,
I saw 2 spiders missing.
Ah! No, that one's there. Oh, look. Funny.
Yeah, this one's not missing.
Hey! Awesome.
Oh, there it is.
I know you.
You do.
I do.
I'm so glad.
Friends.
Yeah,
Been so long.
it has. Yes. Hey,
See, Dave, you get constantly.
it's my best. It's my best friend over there.
And your name is Skittles.
Hey, look, everyone.
No, you forgot about me.
It's M&M's, everyone. It's M&M's, everyone.
M&M's.
No.
Chocolate.
That's true.
Skittles.
Now it's Starburst. I'm pretty sure it's Starburst. Is it Reese's Pieces? I don't remember. Cotton candy? I'm pretty sure it's cotton candy. Laffy Taffy? I mean, it's Clownwoods. It's Laffy. It is Laffy Taffy.
Laffy Taffy.
Yes. Okay, well, I guess I don't really need to tell you that was a really great run and a really great trail because you saw it already.